Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install latest version of Samsung Smart TV OS. Go to settings, tap on all settings, then tap on support, tap on software update, tap on update now. Now they are checking for available updates. If their updates are available, you can see here. Yeah, you can see the new version of One UI Tyson is available. So you can easily upgrade from old version to new version by tapping on upgrade while off or update now. So if you select upgrade now, then it will take over 10 minutes and the TV will turn off and on automatically. So simply in this way we can download and install latest version of Samsung Smart TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.